Good afternoon. This is Phil from Simple. Just kind of a brief note. I've been window cleaning since 1970, 71 when I graduated. Laddered for 20 years. Got my first Tucker in 1983, and waterfed didn't really take off until 2000. And in 2007, I didn't like the poles breaking in half, so we decided to make the Simple. So for the 14 years, the design has pretty much been the same, and poles are like always interchangeable. I had a guy call me, Greg, from California, and he's had my pole for 10 years, and he says, I don't care if the logo wears off or the thing, your poles are dependable. But I care. So we've continued to improve. Now the logo is done special, and the overlap is done with Kevlar, and so it's really the most beautiful pose in the world. This is the new Sim Trad, and it's a high mod, and it's this beautiful color Kevlar on the outside, and we'll have these starting at 14 feet and 34 feet, and then our ultra high mod, ours are poles that are 40, 50, and 60. But just to let you know, at 69, I still wash windows, so quite different than most people selling poles. But I enjoy window cleaning, but I really enjoyed inventing more than anything else. And that's why the Simple brand is unique in the industry, because it was designed by a real window cleaner with a lot of experience. And I appreciate you thinking about a pole that won't kill your shoulders after 50 years. I'm doing exercises for tendonitis, and it's not really the pole as much as this window cleaning all those years. Fortunately, it's got some good exercises. I may show you them someday. Anyways, when you think of a brand, think of one that's really made by a window cleaner that cares about the product, that cares about it being light, that it won't hurt you, and it will make you money in the long run because it'll last 10 years. So look at your pole. How old is it? Alexander, taking off. Have a great day.